my name is Macy. I am an interpreter here at the Museum of York County. Our Spring Break Week Wild Waters is coming up, and we are going to be talking about different kinds of water ecosystems from April 2nd through April 5th. One of the days we are going to be talking about coastal wetlands, and one of the really cool things about coastal wetlands is that when the water washes sand up on the shore, it actually washes it up in layers. And you can see this on something like sandstone where it has the layers, or if you dig a deep hole at the beach, you can see the different layers. So we're going to do an activity about sand layers where we're going to pour different colors of sand in a jar and be able to see it from the outside. Our first day is going to be about rivers and creeks. The second day is going to be about ponds and lakes. The third day is the day that I already mentioned, where we're going to be talking about coastal wetlands. And then the fourth day, we're going to talk about water conservation. We hope you will join us in Splash into Spring at our Wild Waters Spring Break Week. Please sign up online.